And good morning, everybody. Actually going to start off with a little bit of an astronomy nugget for you on this Friday. Today is actually what they call aphelion. That is the day when the Earth is farthest away from the sun in its orbit. We'll be about 94 million miles away from the sun today before the Earth slowly starts to get a little bit closer. We'll be about 3 million miles closer by the time we get to winter, which is actually called perihelion. That will happen early in January of next year. Also today, not the best of pool days because we are watching for those rain and storm chances, especially this morning. But this weekend looks much better to enjoy the day along the pool or even in the pool, as well as Monday before rain chances start to tick back up possibly by Tuesday. If you're also on the fence about washing that car, hold off today because we got plenty of rain that'll be moving through this morning. This weekend looks much better to wash the grease and grime off of your ride. If you're taking your furry friend out for a walk today, we'll watch for those rain and storm chances, especially this morning. We'll really start to dry out by the time we get to this afternoon. We should see some sunshine as well. Here comes that line of storms, maybe an embedded severe storm or two mixed in here, but very heavy rainfall as this line moves through, which is we've been seeing the past couple of days, that torrential rain. But notice by later this afternoon, most of the activity well off to the east. We're starting to clear out and dry out. Northwesterly winds moving back in, pulling in that drier, more comfortable air, and will stay that way tonight and into our Saturday morning. If we see a severe storm, the best chance for that will be across our farthest eastern regions here, even east of the metro of Bowling Green. Again, mainly a damaging wind threat. Heavy rain. If you get caught under these storms this morning, that's going to be the main issue, that torrential rainfall. Highs today mid-80s across the tri-state. That's about where everybody will end up. And with that drier air moving in tonight, it will allow low temperatures to fall a little bit more into the mid-60s overall. The extended forecast is actually pretty nice. The weekend is looking very comfortable. Lower humidity temperatures, that's slightly below or right at average. Then we get toward next week, and there's pretty much a chance for showers and storms almost every day. Then we watch the end of the week. That's when the possibility of the remnants from Hurricane Beryl could move through the Ohio Valley, spreading more chances for rainfall.